just going to change the vanity wall, where we usually put the vanity, going to tile, self-adhesive peel and stick tile everywhere, then it will change the look. That's what I am trying to shoot it. Okay, now this is now we just started from here, and we just want to change the look for the vanity wall. Okay, we just stick it all the tiles, and we're going to put the mirror in the center. We didn't stick the tile. We're going to install the mirror on the center. Okay, then we will take a video. Now we just putting this decorative light. This is look nice. We just in the finishing process. We're going to put this dome. Just putting the light on, and now it's look nice. Okay. Renewed washroom and look very nice, and like a 5-star style, hotel style, and this entire look is different once we change the background tile. Okay, now we need to put 2 stand here, and the entire washroom look completely changed. When you change the mirror and background and light, the washroom look perfectly 5-star hotel style. Okay, going to install this stand, glass stand. Okay, just we put it over the tile. Now we have to slide it in like this. There is a screw in the bottom. Okay. Now we have to screw it from the bottom. When we sticking this tile, the real challenge when we going to sticking this electrical feature behind this electrical feature, this is a little bit hard. What I did, I just unscrew these two screws here and try to pull. I didn't take out because there is electric wire going inside, so I couldn't take this out. I just move little bit away from the wall and I slide it in. Okay, it's a little bit hard, but I did it somehow. I stick it up to here, and this two tile only I cut it and slide it in. Okay, up to here I stick it, and this tile I cut it separate and slide it in after I unscrew this. Okay, that's how I made it. This is the only challenge when you do this. Okay. Now my washroom look completely new look, and it is perfectly clean as I planned, and I am so impressed, and it's completely new look. I am really impressed. If you like my videos, please share and like and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get new notification for my videos. And thank you. Bye.